Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on a review of the 303 Leather 3-in-1 Complete Care. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon wanting to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Hey folks, so I used this 303 Leather 3-in-1 Complete Care. Cleans, conditions, and protects. Cleans and conditions and provides UV protection for all finished leather and vinyl. Helps prevent fading and cracking. Repels dust, lint, and staining. Resists rinse-free formula. So it's a pretty good product overall. So I've been using it for over 2 weeks now, and I'm very happy with this one. I actually found this on the car forum. So, you know, Club Lexus. So a lot of people were using this product and for their very expensive high-end cars. So I thought I'd make a video on this as well too. What I like about it is what it says over here. Not only is made in USA, it's safe for all finished leather and vinyl surfaces. Leaves a dry, matte finish. No greasy look or feel. Clean surface, dirt and grime. Conditions surface to keep it looking new. Severe UV protection helps prevent fading and cracking. Directions, pretty much you spray on the area, see if there's any color change, of course. And you know, you actually use a microfiber towel. That's the best thing to use. You know, you use it 30 to 45 days, which I don't really follow the 30 to 45 day thing all the time, I guess. I never follow those. And there are other applications as well too. The other thing you gotta note is you wanna keep it away from pets and children, of course, because these are all chemicals in a way still. So it has a nice spray nozzle, and I actually don't like to use the full strength to spray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dry my car out and also give you a demonstration. Spray it on. The biggest thing is it's non-greasy. It doesn't have a bad lingering smell. So I have it right here on my car seat right here, and I'm gonna have a cheap microfiber towel here. You probably noticed that it's not a lot of high quality microfiber towel would probably do. So I'm gonna clean the seat right here. So, and you know, you probably read the directions. I read it to you already. It's kind of hard to see, but the thing is, just spray on a small surface, you know, to see any color fastness. So, you know, see if it really changes the color. I didn't notice any major color change or anything like that, and it's good enough for me. I actually used different products before in the past. You probably can see my other reviews if you're interested. But I think this is the best product I've seen, and it's very liquidy. It's not like it goes on like a gel or anything that in particular. So UV protection is one of the things you want to do, definitely, even if you tinted your windows. So you know, you want to protect your leather. So this is real leather, and you can see that. I'm just gonna spray some over here, you know, just to demonstrate. I already cleaned this before. Doesn't hurt to clean it again, I guess. And just a little Febreze, very light Febreze smell, okay? But that smell actually disappears the next day. So that's a really good thing. And you don't notice it that much. It's not like if you're using other brands like Armor All that's gonna have a larger smell. Let me change hands here because it's kind of hard to hold the camera and move and clean it at the same time. So you can see that it's already cleaning right now. So if any dirt and grime, you know, suppose this one's used car or something like that, a lot of dirt and grime will probably come out on the microfiber towel. But this is a new car, and pretty much still need to clean it. I don't have a lot of miles on it as well too. So you can see that there's no greasy, or it's not like a gel or anything like that. It's not very thick. It's more like a watery substance. You can see these on the seat back of the vehicle as well too. So it just cleans it, all right? I don't know how powerful it is in particular for this product. Get rid of a lot of markings or anything like that, but it's definitely not very abrasive. It doesn't scratch your leather or anything like that in particular. It just moistens it. You can see the different areas I have over here. See if you can see it at a different angle. Like this over here, I didn't really wipe it down that well. If you wipe it down well, it's gonna disappear. Alright, so I think I got most of it over here. Let me see if I could do a little bit more demonstration as well too. And I have a Roja red, just curious for those people who are curious about what color is this and what car is it. It's on the GS 350. In my other video I'll talk about a little bit more. And you know, it's just like brand new. I mean, you just clean it, it like never happened. I'm gonna do it on the armrest here, so maybe it's easier to see than on the seats. So I'm gonna show you that one as well too over here. I just leave it there a little bit and wipe it down in particular. So it adds a little shield, you know. It does, you know, add a protection to the surface. You probably noticed that. See over here, it looks like it's moistening it, but it doesn't leave any residue. It's not oily or greasy. So there's a little smell to it, but that smell is not nasty or anything like that. It actually disappears, you know. The next day definitely is gone. Maybe in a few hours it's gone anyway. So if you have a new car, you love the new car smell, well, that's not going to take it away. So always keep your leather and upholstery in your vehicle in good condition. You know, it's nice, pleasant. So I went back and did the car the other day, so I'm not going to go back and do it right now, but I just want to do this demonstration about the product. I'm going to maybe see it spray a little bit more over here. It's not abrasive, I noticed. It also doesn't remove any markings or anything dirty, in particular pen marks or anything in the vehicle. That's another thing you to know as well. There's a little winkle over here on the seat because it's leather. So I'm going to apply some over here, just in case I didn't get moisture in the little cracks over there. I don't want anything to crack. So leather seats over time do crack if you don't take care of it. Then it would be very expensive, and you have to, you know, you want to repair. That's going to cost you even more money. So that worked out pretty good, and you know, notice a little sheen to it as well too. You know, it's not like it's going to be flat, matte, nothing on it, but there's a little sheen to it, very little. You can see it on my other seats as well too. And no matter if you have UV protection on your car in terms of like tinted windows and stuff like that, it's always good to apply some extra protection on the leather or vinyl as well too. So those damages to the seats could be quite expensive if you didn't do that. So there's a little marking over here. I don't know if you see that on the camera, but you know, I actually applied some more over there, and it actually doesn't remove the marking. Maybe some pen or something dirty, I guess, you know. Let me see if I can spray a little bit more over here. Okay, over here has a little bit dirt. I'm gonna do a little test over here as well too. So let me see. I don't think it will remove it because I probably tried it before. I just ran across it. You know, so definitely it just moistens and cleans the surface and offers some UV protection. So that's the plus of this product. So it doesn't really dig deep if there's something dirty on it and try to remove it for you or anything like that. So that's something that you want to know if you purchase this product. So set your expectations. So you can see over here, the color actually looks a lot better, but on the camera it doesn't, you know, the angle's not right or something. But it looks very similar, but it adds a little sheen, a very small, low sheen finish to it. So you know that it has some properties, some values. And the seats look good too. I mean, it looks very clean. I mean, you know, one of the things about getting car seats that are not in black is actually, you know, you could get a lot of different coloring on your seats without knowing it. Okay, so that's my review of the 303 leather cleaner. And again, the pros and cons, and what I noticed the most with this product, it works really good and it's very light. And you know, it doesn't leave any residue. It's not greasy. It does leave a very small sheen look on the on the surface once you apply it, but it's easy, you know, unnoticeable, so you won't really affect it. Just any smell or anything that disappears in one day or a few hours after that, but it's not a bad nasty smell. One of the things is it doesn't remove like pen markings or stains or anything that well. That's the con about this product. At least I didn't experience in that. So you know, you definitely have other products to look at as well too. So I guess it does prevent fading and cracking, and you know, it repels water. Everything is really great in terms of something light, something harmless. If you made it this far, please help with a thumbs up so others can watch it. Please post a comment if it helps others as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.